how to identify the key levels, support and resistance levels. Before this, you must know about what is supply and demand, support and resistance levels. In the previous video, I have explained what is support and resistance level. You can check the video link in the description box, and I will leave it in the card's top right corner. Kindly complete that video first, then you can understand this easily. How to identify the key levels manually. First, you have to identify where the supply and demand is high. For this, you have to set the time frame for 1 hour or 4 hour or 1 day to get the clear data. Now you have to look at where the price is reversing from the same level for the number of times. Mark those key points by using the tools provided by the TradingView platform in the left side panel. Here, I am going to show you how to find the key levels and observe the chart carefully. I repeat, clearly focus on the chart, then only you can understand. Now, click on the horizontal line. Drag the line to where you have marked the points. Match the points with the horizontal line. Repeat the same process to draw the support and resistance levels. Double-click on each line and go to Coordinators. Make the value round figure or move to closest non-decimal value, because we can memorize the levels easily. Remember one thing, setting up the key levels means you are analyzing the probability on your own. Trading is a probability game with a set of instructions. If the level is below the current market price or strike price, then that level will be called the support level. If the level is above the current market price, then that level will be called as the resistance level. Draw the multiple support and resistance levels. Mark as support level S1, resistance level R1, resistance level R2, support level S2, and so on. What is the resistance level becomes the support level. Once the price breaks out the resistance level, that resistance level will becomes as support level. Because of the price breakout, the resistance level means now the price is above that level. What is the support level becomes the resistance level. Same as for the breakdown concept. Vice versa. Once the price breaks down the support level, then that level becomes the resistance, because the price below that level. If you feel difficult to find the key levels manually, in the next video, I will show you the top 5 indicators which are available on TradingView. These indicators are almost close to the levels which are manually done by you.